Hey guys! Christian and I are on our way to be interviewed by some astrology podcast.
I know! Wait, I don't know. I'm excited!
I'm excited too!
Woo.
We're gonna have like our star charts read and like our horoscopes. I don't know what else goes into astrology. I think that's it. I don't know. Come along!
Yay! Hi internet friends, I am making a peach cobbler because I bought a cast iron and I wanted to make a peach cobbler because I'm a grown-ass man and I can do whatever I want. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. In my giant frickin' cast iron, I have about 45 ounces of canned peaches. This is a big peach cobbler. I'm feeding 2 people. We're gonna have cobbler for a long time. I don't see that as a problem. We also have a gallon of ice cream, so solution. I'm now mixing enriched flour, no, not enriched, self-rising flour, sugar, and all that stuff. Peach cobblers are easy. It's like a 3-ingredient thing, but I just wanted to show you guys. I'm baking. Aren't I the greatest? Aren't I like the most like coolest beauty influencer you've ever seen? No? Okay. I'm gonna continue baking and show you guys my progress. Sorry, I actually lied to you guys before. I'm using all-purpose flour, but I'm making it self-rising flour by adding a tablespoon and a half of baking powder. You're welcome. To that I am going to add, so it's 1 cup. It's 1 cup flour, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup milk, and then you make the crust and you put it on top and then you put it in the oven for 40 minutes and it's done. Cobblers are easy, pies are hard. I prefer a good old cobbler. Get yourself a good iron skillet, you mix butter with some peaches, put some crust on them peaches, you put it in the oven, you got yourself a good time. So, I'll be back. Look at it. It's over there. I'm over here. See you soon. So update, I was uber confident and then I realized that I had the wrong pan size, so I tried to increase the recipe, but yeah, it's not what I believe. Look, there's Jason. So I'm making my own concoction and just kind of hoping for the best.
This shirt has 2 holes. Can I throw it away?
Throw it away. I know I just gave you guys a hurdle, but here's another hurdle. I heated my oven without emptying my oven. You heard that? That's all my KitchenAid stuff falling because I had it above the oven mitt, which I didn't think I was going to use. I was so confident in this. I bake all the time, and I was like, let me turn on the camera and show you guys that I am a baker. I still have faith. It looks like it's going to be more stuffing than I would like, but I think that I put enough sugar in it that it's going to be a sweet bread, like cake type of thing. I don't know. I have faith. I still have faith. I am not losing faith in this. By the way, I look at myself, not at the camera. This is the camera. When I look here, you see where my eyes are? I'm looking at myself. I can't help it. Am I looking at you now? I think so. No, I'm still looking at me. I'm like, let me talk direct, but look at myself. Okay. Covering myself so I can just look at you. I have faith. 40 minutes on the clock and a prayer to Jesus, and we'll see where it goes. Oh my god, it looks so pretty and perfect and bubbly and crusty. I love it. I want it.
It smells amazing.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Hee
It belongs in an Applebee's.
Success! Well, Applebee's isn't exactly a compliment, but success!
What are you talking about?